very happy to see you guys here. Napakagaganda at napakapogi yung
Salamat na lang.
Pogi naman. Maganda. Pogi. Sexy oh. Sobrang excited lang kami tonight and in-expect namin yung energy niyo mamaya, okay? Maririnig ba namin boses niyo mamaya? Sasayaw ba kayo mamaya? Promise? Okay, again, 18, thank you so much. But for now, we need to go back and prepare for the show later. Thank you so much, 18. Thank you so much. See you later, we love you, thank you! Reserve your energy, okay? Bye, thank you, love you!
Ang dami kung gaano kayo kasabik sa performance tonight. Gusto lang namin magpasalamat. Pwede ba namin marinig ulit kung gaano kalakas ang sigawan at cheer? Pero bago tayo mag-proceed, gusto lang namin kabatiin ang Happy Anniversary Day!
Hey, that's 6.
Happy anniversary.
6 years, no? Grabe, 6 years na tayo. Tagal na. Kailan kaya matatapos?
Uy! Grabe.
Hindi matatapos, di ba, 18? That's right. Pero alam nyo ba? Kasi, hindi, Kami rin kaya hindi ko alam na sasabihin ko. Hindi, actually, sa totoo lang, hindi namin na-expect na ganito pala talaga karaming manonood sa amin tonight. Oh, come on. Tinatanong ko ni Pablo kung